Now we're going to go over the orbit tool. There's several different ways to activate the orbit tool. The first way is to move your cursor over to the bottom left hand corner. You click on the orbit icon. There should be 5 icons that pops up. It is the first one. This is going to be the orbit tool right here, that little icon. Another way to activate the orbit tool is press O on the keyboard and it will activate the orbit tool. The way the orbit tool works is if you want to have the object you want to orbit around to be in the center of the screen. So for example, if I want to orbit around this object, I will have this object in the center of my screen. I will click a hole and move my mouse around while I'm holding down on the mouse. And I let go, click hole and orbit. Click, let go, and orbit. Click, hold, move your mouse, let go, click, hold, move your mouse, let go. And I'm always going to rotate around the object that is in the center of my screen. So be aware if you want to rotate or orbit around this object, get it in the center of your screen first, and then orbit around. You can see the bottom, top, front, and side of the object. So whatever direction you want to rotate around, feel free to try that. It is extremely important to learn how to zoom and learn how to orbit. It is the foundation to everything that we do in this quarter. So if you are stuck at it, it might be frustrating at first. You might be like out here. It's okay. Try to point at the object you want to zoom in and zoom into the object first. Have it in the center of your screen, then orbit around where you want it to be. Once again, there are 2 ways of activating it. Click on the icon, first one on the bottom left. Or if you are a different tool, like a line tool, and you want to orbit, just press O on the keyboard. It will activate the orbit tool. So try to play around with the orbit tool.